Welcome to Pandey Sir Concept Classes. Today we are going to learn Innovation Management Part 3. तीसरा part है ये और subject is Innovation Technology Management. So process of the technological innovation generic model. Okay. So here you can see there are the few steps follow the process of technological innovation. Like first thing is the idea generation. So everybody knows about the idea. Idea is the recognition of the need, alternative ways to meet the need, analysis of alternative solution, okay, selection of the best solution criteria for the selection, and proposal for the implementation. Like these are the steps of the idea generation. जैसे हम देखते हैं कि कोई हम चीज़ों को रिकग्नाइज करते हैं कि व्हाट इज द नीड ऑफ मार्केट. सो दिस इज द रिकग्निशन ऑफ नीड. नाउ वी थिंक अबाउट द अल्टरनेटिव वेज टू मीट द नीड, राइट. कोई अल्टरनेटिव, कोई इजी तरीका, कोई सस्ता तरीका, कम बजट वाला. एनालिसिस ऑफ द अल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशन. नाउ एनालिसिस द अल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशन efficient and less cost. Now the fourth step is selection of the best solution criteria for selection of the proposal for the implementation. That is called the idea generation. The second step is the concept definition. What is this? Concept definition and market analysis. What is the concept definition? We just provide the conceptual definition of the product or services. You can say in this part you are having the documentation. We need to write the cash flow of our plan or idea generation, or what is the basic requirement for the market. We have to learn through the market analysis, right. After that we are having the setting technical goal and priorities in the setting the expected performance. तो कॉन्सेप्ट डेफिनेशन को आप ये भी बोल सकते हैं, दैट इज द पेपर टोटल पेपर वर्क और द पेन वर्क, राइट, कॉपी वर्क. Here we write the DPR, detailed project report. That is called the concept definition. Third one is the market analysis, defining the market, analysis of the current and future need. Market को समझना है, analysis the current market, future, know the customer. If you know the customer, and you know the competitor and window opportunity. These are the market analysis, right? After that, we have two parts: technical analysis, business analysis. In the technical analysis, first we require the resources, how to make this idea success. So find the resources, find resource available के requirement के बाद availability होगी उसकी. And third one is the time frame from the development. Now we decide कि 6 महीने में, साल भर में, 3 महीने में, and our technology is ready or our product is ready. Now this is the backup plan, the business plan, right? The SWOT, the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. Some people right now say the SWOT. Economic analysis, capital, strategic output. So here SWOT is the again paperwork. After the analysis of the market, economic analysis, think about the real economy of the market. And very important thing is the capital. Without money, man, money, material. These three things are required for the any business: man, money, and material. Capital is the material. And what is the strategic output? What is the your opponent competitor strategy, and what is your strategy to beat them? That is the strategic outlook. So this is the technical analysis, business plan, after the market analysis and concept definition. If we are getting both the approval by the top management, our top authority given the approval, if they are agree to our plan or business, then development, prototype, testing, startup needs, right. Prototype, definitely we can patent our product in the international market. Again, try to make testing of the product. जैसे आप कोई वेबसाइट लॉन्च करते हैं या कोई बोले जाए ऐप डिज़ाइन करते हैं, तो नो व्हाट इज़ द टेस्टिंग, हम उसमें टेस्ट में चेक करते हैं कि हाउ मेनी यूजर्स टेक लॉग इन सिंगल सेकंड part of the time, or we can nanosecond or the seconds, and the startup needs. Okay, these are the development part. अब आते हैं ये, this is the second phase of the generic model. What is the test market? Strategy for market introduction, marketing innovation, timing, measuring response. देखिए टेस्ट मार्केट, what We think when we have new idea about the product and what will be the present scenario and what will be the practical scenario is the very much different. Theory and practical having both having different aspects, both having the different logics. Sometimes we can say जो हम थ्योरी में पढ़ते हैं वो प्रैक्टिकली नहीं होता है. These are understand by the test market strategy for the market, okay, and the market innovation. अभी market में और innovation होंगे. Now the timing again you are doing the same procedure to for the launching a product, measuring the response. This is very important part that is called the feedback of the customer. Now the full production and the commercialization. If our product is working, performing good in the market, you can say requirement or need of our product is very high compared to our competitors, then we think about the full production and the commercialization. So step one is the production, tooling. Definitely we think about the plants, or you can say increase our development team for the selling the for producing the product. Third one is the operational control, supply organization and logistics. Last one is the disposal, environmental consciousness, right? So these are the process of technological innovation come under the technological management. Thank you for watching my video.